Hi class, Professor Smith here. So excited to create an overview video on the Canvas homepage for our Fall 23 Online Statistics course. First up, you'll see our beautiful banner for Math 13 Online Statistics. Next up, you'll see the Canvas homepage overview video. That's what I'm making right now. And then you'll see instructor contact information. And again, my name is Professor Donna Smith, and I like being called Professor Smith. The best way to reach me is text, believe it or not. Yes, it's true, at 916-813-9027. But sometimes students will tell me, oh, Professor, the email was kind of long, or what I wanted to send you was kind of long, so I sent it in an email, but they'll text me and say, I sent you an email. But I do read my email. And here's my email address. And then I also have my Zoom link, Meet Me in Zoom. And this is a link that will take you to my online meeting space. Sometimes students will say, hey, Professor, I'm going to be getting off a little late. Do you think you can help me with this one topic? And we'll set up a time. I say, yeah, no problem. And they can just select this Meet Me in Zoom. But you'll also notice that it's on the left-hand side in the course navigation menu at the very bottom there. Let's see if I can scrunch it up a little bit more. I don't think so, but there it is. It says Zoom, so it'll always be on that home page. Now, every now and then, sometimes when you're navigating on Canvas, sometimes depending on how wide the screen is open, you might not see this course navigation menu. Also, it could be that the hamburger icon is closed, and so therefore you won't see anything on the left. However, if you hover your mouse over there, it says Show Course Navigation Menu, so you can open that up. Next up on our home page is Week at a Glance, and this is so cool. Every week you come out and you will select the Week at a Glance. The first one is our Day 1 Welcome and Interactive Syllabus. And when you select that link, of course I don't have it linked now, eek, it'll take you out to what you need to be doing first. And then there's going to be a second one that's called What You Do After You Do the Welcome and Interactive Syllabus. And then the Week 1 agenda. And what's so cool is that every week this home page will change. So next week it'll have Week 2 agenda on the top, and then I'll always keep the previous week there as well. So you'll know where to go when you land on the Canvas home page. And then next up is I have a question. These are our quick links, and that will take you out to one of our platforms. One of is Top Hat, and you'll see that here, Top Hat and Alex. Both of those two platforms I also use. And what's so cool is now I have a single sign-on. So once you select Alex 1.3 once and Top Hat one time and do the appropriate sign-up, which is covered in the Welcome and Interactive Syllabus, actually it's covered the second part, which is what do you do after you've done the Welcome and Interactive Syllabus. It goes through explicit directions. So it turns out once you select it once, you always will go directly to that platform. You don't have to log in again. And then we have the online statistic websites that'll take you to neat websites that I use, as well as, let's say that if you're having trouble with Top Hat or with Alex, you would select this link and it'll take you to their support page or information to contact them. And then last is our help with life, love, financial aid, or something else. And what is so cool about this resource is it has the most amazing list of things that are available for students. I would click it and just peruse it. You are going to be amazed at how much we offer and make available for our students. So definitely click that link. Now, once we go through that course homepage, how do we navigate the course after that? Well, we're going to be using modules. And so when you select modules, it'll go through and you'll see there's that I have a question, the same link that's on the home page. Then we have our academic toolkit. It has all the resources that you'll be using throughout the course, like the syllabus and the calendar, list of topics. So I'll let you go through that. And then next up is tests and reviews. So on this page will be information about the tests as they're coming up. And then the Welcome and Interactive Syllabus, again, is here. Right here it's saying 100 points, but once someone signs in and starts working in the course, the actual points will show up. So just know that top hat is the point of truth for the points, not necessarily Canvas, but it should update. And then a first step after welcome, it goes through signing up on Alex. And then, of course, the week 1 agenda, a learning and engagement page. And this here is course readiness. And that's basically the topics you'll be doing on Alex. But because right now I have this wonderful thing with the single sign-on, you basically use Canvas to navigate to all the things that you need to navigate to. And then, of course, our show and tell, getting to know you, which I think is kind of cool. So again, welcome to the Canvas overview page, showing you how to navigate our course for the rest of the semester, starting out with the overview video, and every week you'll have a video welcoming you and telling you what's up for the week, and then my information, and then the week at a glance and the quick links. Welcome again to my statistics class. So excited to have you.